video. Well, there is no reason why. I just want to make it. So this is a home video, and we're going to be getting taught about this dragon toy. Very long, tall, and the best thing, it's a snap bracelet. So first you can put this dragon bracelet on your hand, connect it, and put it like this. And see, there's actually also an on button. It's actually right. Let's see if I can get it. Actually, I don't think I can get it, but it's under. So, anyway, I'll just put it on and show you what it does. Okay? So, so I'm going to turn it on. It's going to make some sound. And if I want to record my last video, the last thing I made on this dragon toy, well, I just press his head up. So that's it. And what I have to do is there's a button on its side. So I just have to press that and like, hey, dragon. So that's what it does. So anyways.
What about it sleeping?
And to make it sleep, you just do this. So anyways, that's the ending of the video.